Hello, my name is Olakunle Obademi, and this is my final project for WDD 330 Web Front End Development 2. This application is called TechZion Marketplace. It's a dynamic e-commerce site built entirely with vanilla JavaScript, JSON, local storage, and advanced front-end techniques. I will demonstrate the functionality and show the code behind these features. And right now I will be displaying my home page. And this is my home page, TechZion Market. Beautiful, well colored. And all product card on this page are generated dynamically from a JSON dataset. No static HTML is used. Everything is rendered through JavaScript. The filtering system supports category, multi-select, brand, RAM, storage, price range. Each filter triggers apply filter function, which updates the UI instantly. As you can see, I have, if I do the drop down on the storage, it's going to give me all the options that you have from 64 GB to 1 terabyte. And if I do a drop down on the RAM, it's going to do the same from 4 GB to 16 gig RAM. And this the brand also gave me the option of going through sorting, different brand as I choose to. And depending if I want from the highest price to the lowest, and I can also do so. And I have a toggle for prices that would display product based on the prices. As the prices go up, I have more options. I have more options depending on the price of the product. And as I type in my searching, as I try to search, as I type the first letter, it's going to give me an option of what I'm looking for. For instance, if I'm looking for iPhone, if I type I, it's going to give me options to type from iPhone 16 Pro Max, which I have there. And if I decided to type something like maybe Samsung, I'm looking for Samsung, I type else, it's going to give me option of Samsung Galaxy S24 option that is also there that I can search for. I can click on this and add to my cart, which will display, and the number will keep increasing, and I can as well go to my cart and reduce the quantity from 5 to 4 to 3 to 2, and I can decide to delete everything entirely and start all over again, which this one will allow me to do. So as you can see on my homepage is designed that the product on this product detail page to implement an attractive image gallery with clickable thumbnail, dynamic specification from JSON, how to cut functionality, and a favorite toggle with area accessibility. At the bottom, a recommendation are generated using category or branding matching. And now I'll be walking you through the code that I use on my VS Code. On my data.js, the code highlighted. This is my main JSON dataset. Each product include over 10 attributes, including nested specification and highlight array. The application uses this JSON everywhere for filtering, sorting, gallery rendering, and recommendation. Image comes from Peter demonstrating third-party resources usage. And now I'll be showing you my code for my offline mode in my main.js. The highlighted code is my offline mode. I catch products in local storage, detect connection using navigator.online, and fall back to the cache data automatically. And still on the main.js, this is the core of my filtering system. As you can see, the code highlighted, helps a lot about my filtering system. I apply multiple filters, category, brand, specs, price, text, search, and then apply sorting. All this runs dynamically without reloading the page. On the main.js, this function highlighted would help me in terms of live search from the end user. And like I mentioned earlier in my presentation, when it make it easy for the end user to use, when they type anything from the initial search, maybe they want to search for Samsung, and by the time they type S, it's already bringing all the options that comes with S or Samsung phones. Or when they type I, it brings option of all, iPhone, and makes it easy for them to search. And on my product.js, the product gallery use event listener to change the main image when thumbnail are click. As you can see when I was trying to click on the products in the home page. And now to my UI.js, the highlighted code help my team system respect OS preferences. Remember previous selecting through local storage and update instantly using the CSS variables. And finally, on my story.js, you have this code export function, and here on my local storage system, I store cart items, favorites, recent view items, and view count for popularity sorting. This ensure a persistent and personalized user experience. And now here is my project live links. As you can see from here, this is my live link on local machine, and this is my live link on Netlify apps. This is the site, and also on GitHub. This is my link on GitHub to the program files, and also on Trello. This is my Trello board. Oh, okay. This is for Zion. Okay. And this is my Trello board. This will conclude my skill demonstration for TechZion marketplace. Thank you so much.